Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have added a feature to upload image within the edit page of tutorial project. So now we need to work on the server side. In the controller, we have to search for the update. Here is the update model. Okay. We also need to add the feature image here. So pause this, and here you can see in the insert we have different functionality like SEO, URL, category, feature image. So simply we are going to add the feature image here. Okay, so now here we have added the feature image, and go to the procedure where the update post is updating. So here is post is updating. Okay, publish date is equal to this. Okay, now we will add feature image is equal add feature image where TID is equal to this, and execute. Okay, now execute that whole application once, and what we will do, we will change the image of existing record. Refresh this. Edit one, data conversation in C#. Okay, here you can see we have this image right now, data conversation in C.png. We are going to change this with image 2 and simply update and inspect. Replace of undefined. Okay, yes, in the front end code we are using title instead of the this. Okay, so here we are using title, simply title. Okay, yes, now refresh once again, and we have to repeat the whole procedure again. Just select the image, and update. Here we have error. Yes, in the console you can see what we have error: post, edit, upload. So again the same thing replicated: post, edit, and upload. So what we need to do, we have to define that it is belong to the post controller. So we need to copy this whole, and this is the controller, and it should be the, or we can use the full path name. Okay, here you have to define the whole URL that where we are going to post it. So we are going to post this here in this URL. Okay, now refresh once again. The first parameter is the method of sending the record, and the second is the URL where you are sending the record. Okay, select this image and upload. Okay, it is uploaded. To verify this, we can preview the post, and here you can see the image is replaced. Okay, now replace the image again. For this action, edit and choose the image into this, update and refresh, and you will see the change here. So I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.